dear. A very good morning to you all. How are you all? Yes dear, I am happy to hear that from you all. Today shall we start a classroom session? Before that, shall we go for one rhyme session? Yes. Flutter, flutter, little bat, how I wonder, where are you? Hoping through the darkest night, find your way without light. Flutter, flutter, little bat. The rhyme was nice? Yes. Take the video and post it in the Google Classroom. Now we are going for the writing time. What is the day? Yes dear, today day is Wednesday. So what is the numeral date? 18.11.2020. Write the date, write the topic. What topic we are going to write? Yes, 31 to 40 number names. Last week what we have seen? 21 to 30 number name we seen, right? Today we are going to see 31 to 40 number names. Very easy dear. You know the number name 30? Yes. 30, what is the number name? THIRTY. 30. With this, we are going to write the number name. Before that, yes, everyone ready with your checker note? Pencil, eraser? Super dear. I love you dear. Shall we start writing? 31. THIRTY. 31. ONE. 1. Very easy, no? Now you started writing fastly? Yes, we'll write it fastly. 32. THIRTY. 32. TWO2. Next. 33. THIRTY. 33. THREE. 33. Super dear. Next. 34. THIRTY. Tell them like 34. FOUR. 35. PHIRTY. 35. FIVE. Next 36. PHIRTY. 36. SIX 6. Next 37. THIRTY. 37. SEVEN 7. 37. 38. THIRTY. 37. SC. Yes, this is 37. No, very good dear. This is 38. So you have to write the 8th number name. TIGHT. 38. So you tell and write, then only it will come correctly. 39. THIRTY. 39. NINE. 39. Last what number will come? 39 after? Yes, 40. FORTY. 40. So finish writing 31 to 40 number names, right? So now we are moving to the D words. Yes, everyone ready with your 2 lines note? Yesterday what D words we are seeing? Yes, shape name. Along with that, today we are going for the next 5 D words of shapes name. Shall we start writing? Yes. Oval. 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 Again read. OVAL. Oval. Heart. 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 Again read. HEART. Heart. Cone. 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 Again read. CONE. Cone. Next, what shape we are going to see? It has 5 sides. What shape it is? Yes, pentagon. 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 G-O-N, pentagon. Next, diamond, D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. Again read, D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. You want to make the writing time very interesting, then you can, and for oval, draw the oval shape, or draw the arc. For the cone, you can draw the cone shape near to it. Next, pentagon, draw the pentagon shape. For diamond, draw the diamond shape. Now it is interesting. Now we have finished writing the 31 to 40 number name and D words. Now we are moving for the activity. In the activity time, we are going to play with the coin. Be safe while playing with the coin. Okay, dear? Take a 5 rupee coin. This is the 5 rupee coin. The 5 rupee coin which has number. It is a tail and it has an emblem in the back side, right? So it is called the head. So emblem side is called a head and the number side is called tail. With this, where you can see this game, they will toss and take a decision who will play, who will bat. Which game that is? Yes, in cricket game they will toss and do, right? Start the game. Yes, like that we are going to play with this coin as tossing game. So take a 5 rupees coin. Along with your parent, you play this game, okay? You toss like this. Like this you keep and toss like this. Yes. Now take your worksheet S5, page number 34. Write the date, A.tail. So now you see. So I got tail. So I want to put a tick here. First time I play. You have to play for 4 times. Okay. So first time I got tail. I put a tick here. Like this. You play for 4 times. Second time what side you got? Head or tail? Yes. If you got head, tick here. Second box. If you got again tail, na, tick it like this. You play for 4 times. And go to the down. Count and write the number of times you got the head. How many times you got the head? Count and write it. If it got your tail, and count, write it in the B question. Let's go to the C. Which did you got more times? If you got head, write head. If you got tail more time, na, write tail here. Next, go to the D. If you got head and tail the same time, same number of times, then you put a tick here. If you got both the 4 times you are playing, no. If you got 2 times here and 2 times tail, now you put your tick here. Like this, you play and finish the worksheet and take a photocopy. Where will you send it? In the Google Classroom. So I will be waiting for your amazing work, dear. So fastly you send it. Until bye, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.